Good morning, everybody. Coming up on 7:14 on a Tuesday morning, and we may have a few light snow showers, flakes, and flurries along and west of US 131 this morning. Hoping to maybe get in on some breaks of sunshine later this afternoon with average high temperatures. That's around where they should be for this time of the year. We were 20 degrees yesterday. I think we'll make about 30, 32 degrees today, so you'll notice that difference. Tomorrow it turns windy. It turns mild. Rain develops during the afternoon hours. Could see about a half inch or more there. That rain may mix with a little bit of freezing rain Wednesday night into Thursday morning before it changes to all snow on Thursday, and there could be the potential for maybe 6 inches or more of accumulation will be there. I'll show you why this forecast is not so cut and dry, kind of difficult this time around. As we look at our temperatures, a lot of us are in the teens right now. We're 18 in Grand Rapids. It's cold as 7 in Three Rivers. As warm as 20 there in Holland. There's a little bit of a wind chill, but you'll notice there are warmer temperatures off here over the Central Plains. That warmer air is going to make a run for our area today. I think we'll get up about 30, 32 degrees, and tomorrow should be in the mid to upper 40s. I can't even rule out maybe a 50-degree reading across our southern counties. There's not a whole lot showing up on satellite and radar. Some snow showers of a light nature back off over the northern plains and the north central United States. That's all part of a system that's trying to get its organizational act together, which will be impacting us tomorrow with the wind, with the warmth, and with the rain. Today, not so much. Some morning light snow showers, flakes, and flurries along and west of US 131. Otherwise, mostly cloudy through the morning hours. We hope to turn partly sunny this afternoon. Temperatures around 31 for the high with a southeast wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. So this is our proprietary model here at Fox 17. We'll show you this model first, as we always do. And watch what happens as we go through the day. We may break up some of the cloud cover a little bit later today, but this low pressure area and this red line, that's a warm front. That's going to move through overnight. So our temperatures tonight will actually rise during the overnight period. We'll get into that warmer air. The winds will ramp up. And as this cold front gets a little bit closer tomorrow afternoon, watch how the rain develop. All that green, that will move in our area as well. This is at 6 p.m. As we go into Wednesday night, there may be a change over to some little bit of light freezing rain in pink and then snow. And then the colder air filters in. Then there's going to be a low pressure area that rides up along that cold front. But this forecast model is taking out over southeastern portions of Ohio. That's 700 miles to the south and east. We'd still see some snow, but it looks like the heaviest snow could set up south and east of Grand Rapids, especially over southeastern lower Michigan. Now, that is one scenario. Let me show you the European forecast model. And as we look at this, we'll pick this up at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. It, too, shows the cold front. It, too, shows the rain. It, too, shows the transition to maybe a little bit of freezing rain and then a change over to snow. But watch what happens as we go through the day on Thursday. It also shows that low pressure area riding up along that front, tracking right into southeastern portions of Ohio, several hundred miles to the south and east of us, which again, like our other forecast model, puts the heaviest snow over southeastern lower Michigan. That said, folks, there are other forecast models we look at. It's just like going out to buy a car. You look at several different models and brands of cars before you decide. We're doing the same thing. We're looking at several different forecast models, and as we go through this on Thursday morning, same type thing, we'll see that change over to a mix, but the difference is here, this low pressure system rides along this front on our GFS or American models. Look at about 200-300 miles further to the north and west. This low will track over northwestern Ohio. It then puts the swath of heaviest snow, 6 inches or more, right over the heart of the Fox 17 viewing area. So I've always said here this morning, I'm one of the first ones as a meteorologist that like to paint a hand-drawn map and show you snow totals. It's just very hard to do because of the fluctuation in where that low is going to go. So the potential of 6 inches of snow or more will be there with this system, but it's not in stone yet. And make sure you stay up on later forecasts. And that would be especially through the Thursday time frame. Wind will accompany this system. We'll ramp up the winds overnight tonight. Watch what happens as we go into tomorrow morning. We've got 10 to 20 mile per hour winds out of the south and southwest. Those colors ramp up, those numbers ramp up. Tomorrow, there are winds out of the south and southwest, driving our temperatures into the 40s, but wind speeds at about 15 to 25 miles per hour with some gust up around 40. So we'll see wind and warmth with this system. 31 degrees today with mostly cloudy skies, maybe some sunshine later on this afternoon. Tomorrow, rain develops, I think, during the afternoon hours. It's going to be a windy day, but that wind will drive our temperatures into the mid to upper 40s. That 42 degrees on Thursday will be at midnight because the temperatures will fall. The changeover from rain to maybe some freezing rain and then Some snow develops on Thursday, and it could be heavy. The potential's there, as I just showed you there. We're colder on all the forecast models. We're in the lower 20s on Friday, and then maybe something to look forward to, back up around 40 or better as we get into the beginning of next week. That's weather. It has just flipped 7:19. Time to check traffic.